We all know what happened these past days after the celebration of New Year 2020. January 3, 2020, General Soleimani has been killed in an airstrike in Baghdad. The big question, is he the key to start this World War III? What are the things that may happen if this World War III erupts? Come on, let's talk. Number 1, drone attacks. Nowadays, we all know how technologies change the way of living. We call it upgrades. Not only our smartphones, our gadgets are now upgraded to the extent capabilities, but also in the military matters. Nowadays, drones are not only used now in creating films and using it in the event matters like wedding videos, birthday videos, and some prenuptials. They are now have drones that weapons attached to it. This proves that the World War III may be called as the War of Technologies. May or some theories that they will be using drones in the war. Number 2, nuclear weapons. We all know that some countries owns it. Nuclear weapons have capabilities to erase a country within a map or even destroy the earth. Some says they probably would use this weapon in the World War III. This proves that any problems, conflicts, and misunderstanding of any countries don't go much farther to avoid much larger wars that may lead for or in overflowing casualties or even the worst, the destruction of the world. Okay, so there you go. What else can you add? Come on, let's talk. Comment down below what are your thoughts about this topic, the World War III. Namaste.